What's up, guys? Welcome to NMD TV Kings all day. If you're rocking with you, then you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe button so you never miss out on a video. And big shout out to the Kane Gang, the members of our YouTube membership. I appreciate you guys for going above and beyond to help support the channel. Today, I'm just giving you guys the sights and sounds of day 2 of spring practice. Remember, the people who took these clips, I will leave their handles in the corner so you guys can go follow them on Twitter and show them some love. Check it out.
Violent strike, good. Hit, strike on the rise. Keep them elbows tight, Chris. Tight elbow, hit. Good, there you go. Feet are constantly moving, right? Do not stop your feet. Do not stop your feet. Hit! That's it, good. Good rep. Don't stop your feet. Hit! Good, Chris. Push all the way through. Don't stop your feet again. Hit! Boom, push all the way through. Don't stop your feet. There you go. Hit! Yes, sir. Yes, sir.